Today we're going to review Goodway's chip vacuum. This is our W-210CVP 2-motor vacuum, available in 115 volt or 230 volt 50 or 60 cycle. There's a big brother to it as well, the 315, which has 3 motors, available in 230 volt 50 cycle or 60 cycle. Powerful, compact, can vacuum liquids, solids, separate the solids, and pump the liquids all simultaneously. So you have 2 switches on the front that control the motor and a separate switch on the back that controls the pump. When it comes time to servicing, it's extremely easy because everything is in a rollout container. So you remove the power cable, and then you're just going to disconnect with a quick disconnect here the pump power to the rollout container, and then lower the container to the floor. It's on wheels. Here is all your waste material. Now we have a pump that already pumped the liquids out, but you're still going to have some swarf left over. So inside of this we have our strainer basket with our perforated basket, and we also have a liner for a finer material to get that before it goes to the pump. And then down inside here we have a stainless steel pump that does 40 gallons a minute, pumps right out the front of here with a cam lock connection, has its own float assembly on it, so it'll shut down should there be no liquid, even if the switch is on. For servicing, you can open the ball valve, rinse this out, and clean this out. Very easy to maintain, very user-friendly, no heavy lifting required to service. Once you've emptied it, putting it back together is extremely easy. There really is no wrong way. You're just going to line this up, raise the arm, it's back together. You can go do all your other vacuuming. So this has been a review of our W-210CVP chip vacuum by Goodway.